Welcome everybody, it's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today what I got to do is I have to figure out a way to integrate the chicks, which are growing so fast, in with Gypsy and Nellie. Right now I got them in a dog crate out there to get them used to being out here. But what I want to do is I want to make a small, to me it'd be called a paddock, but a small area on top of the gate that they can get up into roost at night, so I can leave them outside so they can get acclimated to everything.
And because the chicken coop's too small for them.
Because I don't want to just throw them in with them two and then come out in the morning and somebody be dead. Pretty obvious. So I got them in there now. They've done very well. Nellie and Gypsy just walk around and like totally ignore them. But I think if I let them out, it'd be a different story.
Besides the fact that you wouldn't be able to capture them back again.
Yeah, because Gypsy will come and land on my hand. She's no problem. Everybody else is a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make a box I can turn on its side, put a roost across the middle of it, and then figure out a way, even if I just make it to where it overhangs the gate where they can go into it, the roost, but then go back into the pen during the day. Know what I'm saying?
Well, I know that they just need a house at night. Because right now they're safe inside the dog kennel.
Them all used to each other.
Once they become full chickens.
Then they'll go follow them up in there.
Yeah. And we can get rid of the temporary brooder type. The temporary housing. The portable housing.
I just got to get them out of the house.
Okay, let's figure out how to do it.
Stink.
So we have these two left over from...
These are two old doors from the camper.
So the cage is 22 inches.
That's not high enough for them to roost though. She's always intrigued in what's going on. Give me an idea what I'm going to do.
I never told you how high it was. Let me tell you how high the cage is?
No, I'm not worried about that. Well, yeah, maybe I should.
Let me see the thing.
Should be close to 2 foot.
It's probably a little higher because the side was 22. The top was 22. Oh, no, Coco. Why did you come in here? It's 24. It's 24.
That bone tastes good? Huh? That bone tastes good?
You're cutting them all to what, 24?
Yeah. Coco Mario. it was 2 foot high, right?
Mm-hmm.
So. Let's see. 2 foot, make this 2 foot high all the way around. So that'll give me the back. So then, I don't know if I got enough of them to make. May have to just piece the sides for now. So if I do 2 foot high, actually just be 2 foot high all the way around. Because this ain't gotta be king of the world. So just gotta be temporary. Home for the chicken. Just a temporary thing. Just us.
Should probably save me from whatever's living under this shed.
Alright, that's enough.
Come here, Coco, come. Good girl. Are you gonna put shingles on it?
No.
What are you gonna do about the rain?
It's not supposed to rain.
Friday.
Well, maybe I'll put some on there before then.
Alright, so far we got the dog kennel there. This is an old plastic thing that the air conditioning unit used to sit on. And then Bob's gonna make some kind of wall door there for them.
are temporary night quarters for the chicks until they get used to it. So tonight, before I go to bed, I'll come out. What I'll do is I'll get them all over in here. I'll close this, the regular gate on here, and then I'll take this and I'll slide it in and actually notch it so it'll fit over that 2x4 and let it sit. And then I'll open the gate, or I'll take another block and I'll put it on the back side so. Boom. That way they're locked in at night.
You think that nothing will try to get in there? In that gap?
No.
Like no animals or snakes or rats?
No.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay. Raccoons?
No. Nothing is getting in the cage. Except 4 chicks. In the morning when I come out, then I can just pull it all back open and they'll have someone to get out of the rain if it's raining or hang out over here. Which means I should move the food into there too. Well, I'll put the food actually.
Yeah, I think tonight the food should go in there because we put the food in the other thing.
There's the food. Keep it right here. That way it's undercover and you still get to it until somebody lands on it, because that's what they like to do. But they're actually doing really good coming out here already. They're pretty big chicks already. It didn't take them long. So, as I say, so that locks them in so I can lock them in at night. In the morning I can open it up when I come out to feed the chickens. Before work, of course. So if you like this little quick video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next one.